Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb. Yeah, 2011 government pass question. Question number 10. Question number 10 says members of a parliament are required to report the proceedings of the house to their dash. Members of a parliament are required to report the proceedings of the house to their member. That is the senators, members of the parliament means senators. That is, the senators are required by law to report the outcome of their meetings in the house or in the national assembly to their dash. A, traditional rulers. B, political parties. C, constituency. D, local government chairman. And as we all know, a senator is elected from its constituencies from its constituency to the parliament or house of parliament. So, and since it is elected from constituency to the house of parliament, then it's expected in the same way to always give return or feedback to his or her constituency. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.